Hello, and welcome to another weekly vlog, weekly 5 to be exact. Happy Monday! So I am starting the week off and it is a little bit late. I didn't really vlog much. I'm having lunch right now. I'm having a bagel and some tater tots. My mom took some of my bagel and I got distracted and I almost burnt my tater tots. But that's what I'm having. I have my iPad in front of me. I'm gonna watch the latest episode of the Sony Jolies in Disney World. I've been trying to convince my dad to take me for his birthday next month or my birthday the month after that, but it's not working. I've never been to Disney World. Like, I've been to Disneyland, I don't know, 2 or 3 times, but the last time I went was I don't know, 6 or 7, so that was 20 years ago. And we live near it. I mean, LA is near Disneyland, so maybe I'll go one of these years again because I really miss it. I did watch my first Disneyland trip, I don't know, a few months back, a few years back, but yeah, I'm just enjoying people's Disney vlogs, and I'm going to eat this now and then I'll catch up with you later. I'm having dinner now. I brought it into the bedroom because my parents ate a long time ago and I'm eating late. I'm having vegetarian chili cheese fries. I make my own version because outside in restaurants it's like the meat version, so I got the vegetarian version. I also made a plant-based veggie meat burrito with guacamole inside, and yeah, that is my dinner. I'm gonna load up an episode on my iPad to watch on Netflix, and that is what I'm having for dinner. Hello everyone, happy Friday. So as you can tell, I haven't been vlogging this week. I've been a very bad vlogger, but I'm heading out today. We're going to West LA for my dad's appointment. That hair is gonna bug me again when I'm editing this, but yeah, we're heading out. This is my outfit. I changed pants 3 times, so I didn't want to wear these because they mark my bags, but I don't have jeans that fit at the moment. Everything is too big on me, and these are the only ones that are nice and snug, so I had to deal with it. And this top is a little too cropped and the jeans aren't very high-waisted, so yeah, that's what I had to deal with. This headband is from Forever 21, top is H&M, jeans are Walmart. Have my hot pink slippers on and they match, but I can't wear them out. So yeah, that is my outfit. I'm gonna wear my hot pink bag, get everything ready, and yeah, let's head to West LA for my dad's doctor's appointment. He has a checkup. Got my sunglasses, got my bag. Let's head out, shall we? Now, so it is the evening time. I got back about 15 minutes ago. So I went to the doctor's appointment with my dad, and then he got his prescription filled, and then on our way home we stopped off at T-Mobile to pay my bill, and then we went to Best Buy because he needed to buy some computer stuff. So I followed him around Best Buy. He loves doing that. Ever since I was a kid, he always went to like computer stores like Best Buy and stuff, and I would just follow him around while he like looks at every single thing. But now I do it to him when I go shopping for like clothes or beauty stuff, so it's okay. Speaking of beauty stuff, I went to Target, picked up a few things. Maybe I'll share you some of the bits that I got tomorrow, so make this vlog more interesting. And then now I'm going to order something off Uber Eats for dinner. I'm gonna go pick it up because I need to go to Rite Aid to get some medicine and just to look around for some more drugstore beauty items. And I have a few more things that I want to get on my makeup wish list for the month. I wrote a wish list on my blog talking about what I want to buy this month. Love that. So I can link that blog post if you want to check it out, because I use it to check off what I'm buying for the month. It's really handy, like, to see what you're spending and what you want to buy so you don't forget, and you can keep track of how you're spending. Really love that blog post that I do every other month or whatever. I do it sometimes all the time, like every single month. Sometimes I forget about it and I don't do it for a while. So I really love that blog post and really highly recommend you check it out. That is my evening. I'm just going to wait for my order to be ready, and then I'm just gonna walk down to Rite Aid because it's just like a block away from me. It's really convenient where I live. There's so many like stores and stuff here in West Hollywood. So yeah, I'm just going to walk down there. I don't know if my dad's coming with me, but yeah, that is my evening, and maybe I'll vlog some more, who knows, but I'll see you whenever I pick up this camera. So I'm back home now. So I went to Rite Aid. I picked up my burrito, which I'm gonna go eat now. I just had to come in and put on my comfies. Then I did my hair. Not very good. It's a very messy top knot. Still wearing the headband to keep the baby hairs out of my face. But yeah, I had a nice walk. Got all my beauty goodies in front of me that I think I'm just gonna share with you tomorrow, because this vlog maybe needs a little bit more because I haven't really vlogged much this week. So yeah, I'm going to go eat dinner. It's Friday night, so me and my dad usually watch Hawaii 5-0 and Blue Bloods together. So we're gonna watch that in the living room while we eat. And that has been my Friday. Here's the burrito that I got from Tacos Way. I mean, it is humongous, if you can see that. So my mom and I are gonna split it, or I'm gonna save some, but let's open it up and see what's inside. Here is my burrito. My goodness, that looks good. So I'm gonna cut it up and then eat it that way. So I'm in bed now. I have my iPad right here. I have a glass of water. I have my night lights turned on here on my bed, my ball fairy lights, whatever you call them. And I'm going to go to sleep pretty soon. So yeah, I'm gonna end my vlog for once. I haven't ended my vlog. Usually it just goes to the next day, but today I'm ending it. So I'll see you again whenever I pick up this camera. Bye. Say bye, Mr. Ted. Hello, happy Saturday. So I'm going to head out to go grocery shopping because we're out of groceries for the week. So I thought I would take you along with me. Didn't really feel too great today. Slept in a little bit and then my body just needed some rest. So I've just been laying down, but I feel a little bit better. So I'm gonna head out, go grocery shopping with my dad. I have just a casual outfit I wore last week. So yeah, it's just a normal outfit, a big bun, the headband I wore yesterday, bag, some leggings, and I need to put some shoes on. But yeah, I'm just going to head out now, and I thought I would take you along with me. Getting my favorite guacamole. One of these. So I didn't vlog too much at the grocery store, but I can show you some of my favorite things that I got since I did a very good job vlogging there. So this is what I'm gonna have for dinner. It looks good. Vegetable lasagna. Then we have some ranch, some salad that I got. I put the other one in the fridge. Some sourdough bread, my guacamole that I've been obsessed with that you saw in my favorites video, some Jello, my Philadelphia, because I love it. I also bought some everything but the bagel seasoning at the Trader Joe's next door, tortilla chips, and that's some of the stuff. I put the rest in the fridge already right here, so yeah, that is a mini grocery haul. Here's my dinner for tonight. I made my vegetable lasagna, some salad, put some ranch, and then some cheese, croutons, tomatoes, and then we have my sourdough garlic bread, and then fruit punch. And yeah, that is what I'm having for dinner. Hi everyone, happy Sunday. So it is afternoon, so good afternoon. So I got up maybe 2 hours ago, and I've just been lying in bed on my phone like I do pretty much every Sunday. So yeah, I thought I would vlog again today to finish off weekly vlog number 5. Can you believe I've been doing it? I don't know, is it 5 weeks straight if I've done it for 5 times? Who knows, but I have been enjoying my weekly vlogs recently. I'm currently having lunch and doing some work. I have my big glass of water right there, and then I can show you my lunch and what I'm up to. So I have some Fritos and some pizza rolls. I just bought another box at Smart & Final last night. I don't know if I showed you in my grocery haul. I think I already put it away by the time that I shared what I got. I only shared a teeny tiny bit of what I bought yesterday. And then over here we have my laptop, which I am going to be doing the weekly vlog. I'm going to import the footage off of this camera here in a bit, and then do that while I'm eating. And over here on this side, I started this Scooby-Doo last night. It's the Scooby-Doo Mystery Incorporated, and I think I watched it before. It seems familiar, so I might have watched it before, but it's so good, and it's like more grown up, and it has a storyline, and Velma and Shaggy are dating. I don't know if Fred and Velma are gonna date, but Fred and Daphne are gonna date, but I know Shaggy and Velma are dating in this series. It is so good, and I highly recommend this one. It's not very like kid-like, it's more like teenagers and stuff, which is really cool. I really love that. So I'm gonna watch an episode of that while I eat, while I import the footage, and yeah, that is what I'm currently doing. Going to eat this now, finish up doing what I'm doing, and I'll catch you later. Finished up doing some laundry already. I finished up my work on the computer, finished editing, so that's all taken care of. So now we can head out and make some dinner. So for dinner, I'm gonna cook this Trader Joe's Asian style vegetable stir fry. I picked it up yesterday. Gonna add some diced chicken breast, soy sauce, some stir fry sauce in my cute pink pan, and I made some rice the other day, so I'm just gonna warm that up. And that is what we're gonna have for dinner, a rice stir-fry vegetable stir-fry bowl, I guess. So yay. Put some oil. Now I'm just going to put the chicken in there. Whoops, that might be enough chicken. Chicken's all nicely cooked, so I'm just going to throw in the veggies. It looks so nice. Throw in a cup of water. That's nice. Then gonna add in this stir-fry sauce. So I think I might put the whole bottle because there's not much left anyways. Gonna put some of this again in there, so I guess that's enough. I stirred it all up, so I'm just going to let it simmer and then put the lid on it and just wait for it to get soft. So yeah, hopefully the vegetables will cook nicely. Here's how my vegetable stir fry turned out. I just put it on top of rice, created my vegetable rice bowl, and it looks pretty good. So that's what I'm having for dinner. Hello, it's after dinner now. I thought I would talk you through the products that I promised that I would show you that I bought. Even though you saw it, I'm gonna talk through all the new in beauty bits that I bought from Target and Rite Aid in this vlog. So I put on a pullover because it's kind of chilly in my room, and this is so soft and comfy. So I thought I would just get cozy and talk you through some of the products that I bought. First, I'm gonna start off with the Target goodies. We're gonna start off with Wet n Wild though, but this is the primer serum base, and it's in the hydrating variant. And I saw a few YouTube videos about this and blog posts, and I wanted to try something like this. As you know, I've been having very dry skin, and I can't really wear makeup at the moment because all you can see is the dry patches. So I'm hoping this will help it at least. It will prime my face and hydrate it. so I can wear a foundation and start wearing makeup again. So I'm gonna try this out. I've never had something like this. I'm excited for like the little bottle and you can squeeze it. So yeah, this was, I think, $6.99 if I am correct. And then it was on sale, so I got this for buy one 50% off. I guess Target is doing that at the moment for Wet n Wild. I didn't really know what to pick. There were so many choices and it took me a while. I was just staring at the stand for a good 5 minutes, but I just went with the Ultimate Brow Micro Brow Pencil. So I love the NYX one. It's my holy grail. I buy so many. I think I'm on my like 5th or 6th one, but this is like a fraction of the price. I thought the NYX one was cheap because it was on, like, I get it for like $7 to $9. It depends if it's on sale, but this was only like $2. I mean, it was on sale, so I got it cheaper, but that's a pretty good price. I got it in the shade Deep Brown. Hopefully that is correct for me. And it's honestly just like the NYX one. So I'm gonna try this out, see if I like it. And yeah, I just picked up these two Wet n Wild goodies. Then we have this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I found out about this because they announced it on Twitter, and I really needed a hydrating concealer because all of mine were drying, and that's why I haven't been wearing makeup, because my makeup is drying. So I'm trying to buy hydrating makeup, if you couldn't tell. So hopefully these will work. I got it in the shade Medium Sand, and I think it is my color. I like looked on the site and it seems like this would be a good match for me. I usually get a variant of one of the mediums with like a neutral undertone or a golden undertone. It just depends on the brand and how they do their shade range. But I'm so excited to try this. It was only $6, so yeah, I'm excited to try it. I'll let you know if I like it or not in a future vlog, or my favorites video if it makes it in. My battery died, so I had to change it, but we're back now and I can share what I bought at Rite Aid. So I got me 3 things at Rite Aid when I went. First, I'm going to stick with the makeup and talk about this. It is the Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon. So I saw this, a blogger recommended it on her Insta stories, and she said it was a similar color dupe to the Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk. I really wanted to try that lipstick, but it's really expensive and I didn't know if the color would suit me. So she said it was a similar dupe, so I wanted to try it out, and it was only like $9. So let's open it up. Oh, it smells amazing. Wow. Okay, let's get like that and swatch it. I'm not very good at swatching things anymore. I used to be. Let's just, oh, that's very pretty. I don't know if you can see that or if it's going to focus. So I'm not sure if it's focusing on it, but that is what the color looks like. It's super pretty and super pigmented. So can't wait to try this. Hopefully it's not too drying on my lips, but I do love the color and the smell of it, and it has a cute little sharpener at the end. That's so cool. So I can't wait to try this out. Then we have some nail goodies because I've been obsessed with doing my nails recently. I lost 3 more on this hand, so after this video I'm going to do my nails again. So I do have this one. It's in the petite length, and I accidentally got this because I like the design. I didn't really read it was petite length, but they are super cute. It has cute diamond accent nails. Hopefully these will fit on me because the short length is what I normally get. Some of them are a little bit too big for me, and then some of them fit me exactly. So hopefully the petite length, it is a little bit more fitting to my nails, but I can't wait to try this because I love the design. And then I just got me some brush-on nail glue to glue my nails back on. I really need to glue them back on, so I can't wait to try this. I used to be obsessed with going to Rite Aid and buying nails like this when I was like a preteen. Back in like my middle school, high school days, I would save up my allowance and buy like some nail goodies like this. So it's a little like reminiscent that I'm doing it again. It's just super fun to do my nails recently, and I've been loving it. So I can't wait to do my nails with these and try them out. So here is everything that I bought. I will link everything down below in the description if you want to check it out yourself. Hopefully I'll be trying them in next week's weekly vlog, so stay tuned for that. I hope you enjoyed this mini haul at the end of the weekly vlog. So I'm gonna end today's weekly vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone!